or if you don't want to download, you can even watch it on Skype only for the next 30 days. Let's begin. Okay, so turn to the exogenic forces portion of your book. Come to figure 3.12, a waterfall. 3.12. There is a diagram and then there are certain labelings. Kindly make sure it is drawn and the labelings are written. 3.12. After that, turn your pages to 3.14. Diagram 3.14. Now 3.14 has 4 parts. Can you see there are 4 green boxes? Each one is showing one different stage. So there are 4 stages of an oxbow lake. So these 4 stages. So you need to draw all 4 stages. Kindly make sure wherever you draw this diagram, all 4 boxes need to be drawn on the same page. एक ही पेज को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके ये 4 ग्रीन बॉक्सेस ड्रॉ करेंगे ऑन 1 पेज ओनली. ऐसा नहीं है कि 2 पीछे वाले पेज पे बना लिए क्योंकि वहां पर स्पेस थी. सो 3.14, देन 3.15. 3.15 पेज नंबर 1. Is it page number 112 in your book? The page numbers have changed in your book.
Page number A70.
Number A70. Page number A70.
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 A.
Yes, ma'am.
It is written A for apple.
Yes, ma'am.
A17. 17 or 70?
70.
70.
Ma'am.
Okay. And then next one is A71.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Never mind.
Ma'am.
So 3.15 delta. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now let us quickly mark exercise E. I hope all those who have not yet completed exercise D will do it today only. Let us mark exercise E. Question number 1. What do you understand by plate tectonics? We have already studied this. Now since the page numbers are different, turn to the first page of the chapter. Are changing earth, first page of the chapter. Isha, please tell me what is the page number?
A64.
A64. Okay, fine. So A64, right side, third line. It is written, it consists of. In place of it, write down the earth. Where it is written, it consists of, begin the statement with the earth consists of. The earth consists of several large and small, rigid, irregularly shaped plates or slabs which carry continents and the ocean floor. These slabs are moving or drifting. Drifting means they are floating and they are going away from each other. This is drifting. Drifting in relation to each other by about 2.5 to 5 centimeters every year. These crustal slabs are called tectonic or lithospheric plates. Close the bracket at lithospheric plates. There are 7 lines in the answer. Kindly count. Question number E2. What causes volcanic eruption? Page number A65. A65. What causes volcanic eruption? You must have marked answer number D2. Here only you must have marked answer number D2 also. Am I right? अरे आंसर नंबर 2 इसी पैराग्राफ में मार्क किया है. कहां पे मार्क किया है? Where have you marked?
मैम
Yes.
मार्क करते थे मैम. दीपाली हम लोग को कॉपी के पेजेस भेज देती थी, सेंड कर देती थी.
अच्छा
Yes,
अच्छा
ma'am.
ठीक है. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Let's mark answer number E2 now. That is page number A65 under the heading volcanoes. Under the heading volcanoes. Seventh line from the beginning. Extreme heat and pressure. Extreme heat and pressure forces up molten magma, pieces of solid rock, ash, gases, and steam through. It is written these, make it the. It is written THESE, make it THE. Through the vent or fissure. The magma erupts as lava and accumulates round the vent in layers. This forms keep it in layers only. Round the vent in layers. That's it. Round the vent in layers. This is answer number E2. Question number 3. Question number 3. What type of features are formed by vertical tectonic movements? Come to points to remember. Come to points to remember. Eighth point. Count points to remember. 8th point. Vertical movements. Add a word in between. Vertical tectonic movements. Add a word, tectonic. Vertical tectonic movements have resulted in the formation of continents and plateaus. Have resulted in the formation of continents and plateaus. This is how it is written. So this answer is on page number A72. According to your book, this is on A72, right? Okay. Question number E4. Now the last two answers are still to be discussed, which is from the second part of the chapter. But you can mark the answers just now. When we will discuss, I will let you know. What is meant by weathering? What is meant by weathering? Please turn to, this will be page number A68. A68. Exogenic forces.
मैम
Yes. What you
Ma'am?
can do, you can mark this from glossary also. हाँ, बोलो.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
हाँ, okay, fine. Leave that. Please come back to glossary. It is easier to mark it from the glossary only. Glossary से mark करेंगे. What is meant by weathering? This is the last point of glossary. The last heading in glossary, weathering. Breaking up of rocks due to physical and chemical changes in the rocks. Breaking up of rocks due to physical and chemical changes in the rocks. Now add something here. Due to physical and chemical changes in the rocks is termed as, write down, is termed as weathering. Write this here only. So the answer becomes breaking up of rocks due to physical and chemical changes in the rocks is termed as weathering. This is on page number A73. The last one. How are waterfalls created? How are waterfalls created? A69. Turn to A69. Under the heading, under the diagram of waterfalls, there is figure 3.12. Below that, there is the answer. A waterfall is created when the river plunges down. When the river plunges down. Plunges down means simply falls down. Gets down, goes down. Plunges down from great heights at the edge of a highland or a steep valley, or when a horizontal band of hard rock with undercut soft rocks below lies on the path of the river. Close the bracket at river. There are 5 lines in this paragraph. This is answer number E5. This is answer number E5. This is it for exercise E. Now, if there is anybody who has missed out part, you can stop the recordings now.